2025 Corvette C8 ZR1 is here, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about American performance cars. It's not just fast, it's a bold, aggressive masterpiece that blends racing technology with supercar presence. With its mid-engine layout and stunning black finish, the ZR1 isn't trying to compete, it's aiming to dominate. Under the rear glass lid sits a monstrous 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged flat-plane crank V8 engine, delivering over 850 horsepower. That's right, this beast doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. It's the most powerful Corvette ever produced, and it's engineered to tear through tracks and highways alike with ferocity and grace. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, shifts are instantaneous, lightning quick, and brutal in the best way. The exterior design takes the aggressive lines of the standard C8 and turns the volume up to 11. A wide stance, carbon fiber aero enhancements, an active rear spoiler, and massive front intakes give the ZR1 an unmistakable presence. From the front left corner to the rear diffuser, every angle is sculpted with purpose. Its LED headlights cut through the dark with precision, while the rear quad exhaust growls with authority. Whether standing still or in motion, this car demands attention. Step inside, and the ZR1 wraps you in a driver-focused cockpit. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and perforated leather cover the cabin. The digital display is sharp and customizable, showing everything from performance data to forces. The flat-bottom steering wheel is thick, contoured, and features drive mode selectors, giving you instant access to the ZR1's different personalities. From track to tour mode, this car adapts to your mood with precision. But don't let the luxury interior fool you, this is a serious machine. Huge carbon ceramic brakes ensure stopping power is just as impressive as acceleration. Magnetic ride. Control 4.0 reads the road and adapts the suspension in real time, making sure every corner is conquered with stability and confidence. Whether you're carving up canyons or burning rubber on a straightaway, the ZR1's chassis and aero work together in harmony. Technology also plays a key role. The infotainment system is crisp, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose audio system delivers clean sound. But let's be honest, most drivers will prefer the symphony coming from those four rear pipes. The 2025 Corvette C8 ZR1 is not just another performance car, it's America's answer to the best from Europe. It's bold, brutal, elegant, and advanced. For those who crave heart-pounding speed, cutting-edge engineering, and head-turning design, the ZR1 is no longer a dream, it's reality.